Hi children, all is well? Yes. Are you ready for our maths class? Yes. In previous class, we studied about 4-digit numbers. Okay. Today, we are studied about again 4-digit number with the help of spike abacus. Don't you know spike abacus? Yes. Please take your textbook and page number, please listen the page number 52. Can you see this? Here, this is the spike abacus. Here noted the ones place, 10 place and 100 place. Please listen here. This is the picture of spike abacus. This is the 1 place spike. This is the 10 place spike. Third one is the 100 place spike. Here in our textbook, we can see the 3 color beads fill in the spikes. 1's place red beads are filled. 10 place blue beads are filled. In 100 place green beads are filled. Okay. How many beads are there? 9 beads in 1 place, 9 beads in 10 place, 9 beads in 100 place. Okay. 9 ones, 9 tens and 9 hundreds plus 1 bead. Again plus 1 bead we get 1000. Here 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads. I fill the 9 beads on the spike abacus. Okay. Again at the 10 place we add 9 beads. Ten place, 9 ones, 9 tens, here also we fill 9 beads. Okay, 9 hundreds. Okay, we get the number 999. We add the 1 bead here plus 1, we get 1000. We get 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number 1000. We get 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Is the smallest 4-digit number. How to fill the 1000 in spike abacus? We add only 1 bead on the 1000 place. We add only 1 bead on the 1000 place. These now beads are replaced and leave it blank. 10 place and 100 place, 1 place, 10 place and 100 place are leave it in blank because here the 1000 in the number 1000, 1 place 0, 10 place 0 and 100 place 0. So, we replace the beads here, 9 beads are replaced and it's leave it blank. Okay. Again the 0 position we leave it and it's blank. Okay. Next one, reading 4-digit number. Reading 4-digit number. How to read 4-digit number with the help of spike abacus. Okay, 1 place spike, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. How to denote the 1000? TH, then the letter TH. Okay, the number is 2834. 2834. How to fill the beads on the spike abacus? Okay, please listen here. In one place we get the 4. So we add the 4 beads on the one place. Okay, 4 beads on the one place. Okay, in the next position 10 place we get the number 3. 10 place 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next place 100 place we get the 8. Number 8 we fill the 8 beads on it. 1, 2. Okay, in the 1000 place we get the number 2. So we add 2 beads on it. Okay, how to read it in this with the help of spike abacus? 2834. Okay, we get the number 2834. In the first place we get the 4, number 4. So we fill the 4 beads on the first one's place spike. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads filled with 4 beads filled in the one's place spike. Okay, next one, the number is the 10 position 3. 3 means 30. The place value of the 3 is 30. The 10 place we fill the 3 beads on the 10 place spike. 1, 2, 3. Here place value is 30. Next 8 we fill 8 beads on the 100 place. So 800. Next 1000 place we get the number 2. Here we filled the 2 beads. The place value of this number is 2000. Okay, 1 place 4. 10 place 330. 100 place we get 8 beads, 800. In 1000 place we get 2. So we write 2000. Okay, got it? Okay. Next one, page number 54. 54, please note the spike abacus. Okay, 9999. How to draw the spike abacus? One place spike, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, we get the number 9999. First of all, we fill 9 beads. On the first place. We fill the 9 beads on the first place. Second place we get again 9. Okay. The third place, again 9. Okay. Again 9,000 place. Okay. 1 place 9, 10 place 9, 90, 100 place 9, 900, 1000 place 9, 9,000. Okay. Okay, got it? 9,999. We fill the beads on 1 place, 9 beads fill in the 1 place spike, 9 again fill in the 10 place spike, 9, 9. Okay, got it? Okay. Next, exercise 2. Please note the exercise 2. Count the beads shown on the abacus and fill in the blanks. Please listen your textbook. Count the beads. Please count these beads, red beads, and write here, fill in the blanks. Okay, red beads. How many red beads are in the first place? 2 red beads. So, we write here 2. Okay. Next, please listen. Exercise 2. Okay. Page number 54. Count the beads shown on abacus and fill in the blanks. We count the beads on the spike abacus and write on the fill in these blanks. Okay. Okay. First one, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. In the first spike, 1 place spike, we can see the two red beads. In the 10 place spike, we can see the 6 beads, 6 blue beads, and 100 place 1 bead, 1 green bead, and this 8 pink beads. Okay, 8 pink beads. So we write the 8,162. Okay, 8,162. Okay, I draw the picture on the blank. One place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay. Okay. Next number 2. Question number 2, please. How many beads are in red? 1 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. Here, blank space. Please write on the blank space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 10 place, 4 beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. In here, you write 4. Next one, 100 place, 2 beads. Please write here 2. Next one, 8 beads. 8 beads. Okay, we get the number 8,246. Okay, 8,246. Okay, next one. Number 3, exercise number 3. Please count the beads on 1 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in the blank place, please write the number 6. Have you finished? Okay. Next 10 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here write the number 5. Next 8. Next 1000 place, we add 2 pink color beads. So we write here 2. Okay, we get the number. Please listen. We get the number 2856. Okay. 2856. The exercise number 3. Okay. Next one. Number 4. Exercise number 4. First bead is 1 place bead is 9. 9. 10 place bead is 2. 100 place bead is 3. 1000 place is 4. We get the number 4329. Got it? 4329. Okay, have you finished? Yes. Next exercise, please listen the next exercise, page number 55. Page number, draw the bead to represent these numbers on the abacus. We give the number on the bottom of abacus. Please draw the beads, number of beads on the spike abacus. Okay. Please, we get the number at the bottom of the spike abacus. Please, you draw the beads on the spikes. Okay. Yes. First one. 2576. Okay. Example. Please draw 2002. 100. 5. Tens. 1s. 6. Okay, got it? Okay. Please, next one. 1821. How to draw it? 1000. 100. 1000. 100. 10 ones. Okay. How many beads are in the one place? 1. We draw the 1 bead on the 1 place spike. Okay, next one, 10 position, 2 beads. Okay, 2 beads. Next 100 position, number is 1821. 8. Okay, 1000 position, we get the only 1 bead. Okay, got it? Yes. Next 4 problems. Please do your textbook. Okay, you should do the problems on your textbook and showing in the WhatsApp. Okay. Next one, in the second standard we studied the how to write the number names and the figure of the numbers. Okay, how to write the number names and the figure of the number. First one, exercise 3. Please note the exercise. Write the number names of the write the numbers for these number names. Write the numbers for these number names. Exercise C. Write the numbers for the number names. Okay, first one. Have you finished this one? First number name 4800. 4800. Okay, first one 4800. 800. Okay, 800. Okay, 4000. 4 in the fourth place. 8 in the 100 place. 100. 0, 0. 4800. Okay, first one 4800. Second one 2000. 2200. 55. 2255. 2002 is the fourth place. 200 third place is 2. 55. 5, 5. Okay. 2255. Okay. Next one is the write the number names for these numbers. Number names. Write the number names of these numbers. First number, exercise D. Please note the exercise D. Write the number names of the number. Write the number names for these numbers. First number 566. Okay. Okay, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. So, we write that is 1566. How many places are there? 1000 place. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, 1000 times in 1000 place we get the 1. So, we read as 1566. Okay. 1000 500 66. Okay, 1066. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. We get the 5 in the 1000 place, so we read as 5000. 5000. 5000 in the place of 100 place we get the 0, so we read as the next one 10 place for 40, 43. 5043. How to write the 40? What is the spelling of 40? F-O-U-R-T or F-O-R-T? F-O-R-T. 5040. F-O-R-T-Y. 43. Okay, 43. Okay, students, I hope all of you had understood our today's class. Okay, you should do the work and take care. See you.